The room is at 1140. It's a premier suite. No?
Oh, the premier suite. Okay. Wow. All right. We thought we were just like gonna get the deluxe. Yahoo! Okay. Hey guys, so we're here in Bai Hotel, as we mentioned earlier. Now we're just going to check out one of their rooms. This is their premier room, and we're just going to give you a quick tour. So as you can see, this is like a really bright and good room, right? So this is their premier room. Now let's just give a quick tour. So this is their bed. If I'm not mistaken, this is their single bed. But all honesty, this is quite big. It could easily fit 2 people. So if you're a group of like 4, a room like this would actually be, you know, quite okay. Just have to work out the details with like the adding of people or whatnot. Okay, and they have a study area. So tissue box, mirror, lampshade. You have your in-room dining menu, and just, what is this? Your directories with envelopes. So if you're here on business, then you have a lot of like materials. Comes with, yeah, this is supposed to open. Yeah, there we go. Switches, USB ports, yep, sockets, and right here we have television. This is what, 32 inches, I would say. 32-inch TV, and here on your side table drawer you have your normal stuff. So what this is in case of an emergency, I guess. Yeah, a whistle, Bible, and magazine, yellow pages. Sorry, that was a magazine. Yellow pages, and then there's some promotional stuff. Yeah, for the restaurant, a notepad, pencil. Just again. Oh, by the way, this is like really cool. So this is a JBL Bluetooth speaker and alarm clock. So I've never seen that in a hotel before. Come on, like fancy, right? And typical, you have your weighing scale, hotel slippers, mini fridge, a couple of bottles of water, glass. So these are all pretty standard, but ice bucket. At first I thought it was a cookie jar, but now it's not. And then you have your vault for your valuables, an iron, laundry bag, yep, a few hangers. And for the bathroom, toilet. Actually, I really like their bathroom. So toilet, hair dryer, again pretty standard. You have your toiletries and a shower. Right. So one of the reasons why I really like this bathroom is it's not super big, but it has certain elegance. Actually, this room has a certain elegance to it without being old. You know, it's like a modern, contemporary design, but at the same time, it's like really, really elegant. And I think that is what this whole hotel is. You know, their design is like pretty industrial. They use a lot of like wood, and you know, it's really modern. They have a lot of like, they use a lot of like mirrors, a lot of angles, a lot of like different museum like designs, but it's not weird, you know, it makes sense. So this hotel in Bai, here in Cebu in general, is just a complex hotel that is very modern and relatable for customers. So I feel like no matter what age group, no matter If you're a group of friends, if you're family, this is a good hotel to be in. So if you want elegance, come by here. If you want like a modern design, no brainer, come here. And if you want like really great service, definitely Bai Hotel by far is one of the best hotels I've been in that has great service. So that is it, guys. That is our tour of the premier room here in Bai Hotel. And we do hope that you seriously consider booking here in your next holiday, right? So your next trip in Cebu, Bai Hotel should definitely be on top of your list. All right, guys, so thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.